Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking to stock up your workshop, then check out these screws from Hillman.
These 1 1/4 inch coarse thread Phillips drywall screws are a great option to keep on hand because you can use these with a lot of different projects. They're a nice strong screw, they're a nice size for all kinds of things. They're really versatile. So these have a black phosphate finish, so they do have good adhesion for paints and other things. And we used them to install this shelving unit that would hold air compressor tools. So we wanted it to be really durable, and these definitely fit the bill. You can use them, of course, for drywall. You can use them for installing cabinets. That nice coarse thread really grips into whatever material you are installing these into, so you can be confident in the durability and the lasting hold that these screws are going to provide. We use these all the time on lots of different projects throughout the house.
So that is what we love about these screws, and that's my point of view.